Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, all signs. So, check lang natin who's coming towards you. O, diba? So, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Again. Kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga charms, sa ating ibang items, just message me. Okay, so bibilisan ko lang itong reading na to. And titingnan lang natin kung sino ba itong papalapit sa'yo. Okay, air signs. So, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua, who's coming towards you? Who's coming towards you, air signs? Who's this? Who's coming towards air signs? So, may commitments itong taong to sa'yo. Okay, may responsibilities itong taong ito. Some of you, siya yung parang may kailangang bayaran sa'yo. Okay? Yeah. Uy. Iba po nagkaroon kayo ng magandang connection. O sabihin nating mahabang connection. Okay? And, andyan yung energy ng the one that got away. Yeah. So, anong meron? Bakit siya lalapit? Bakit siya darating muli? Okay. Some of you, palagi kang nasa isip niya. Okay? Palagi kang nasa isip ng taong to. Pwede napapanaginipan ka na niya. Mga ganyang bagay. The Four of Swords. Yeah, and the Fool. So, it's like taking risk. Okay? So, yung energy is parang, okay, kumustahin ko nga muna. Kumustahin ko nga si air sign. So, yun lang ang nakikita ko. No? Could be an Aries. We have here Earth, Water, Air. Could be any sign. Okay? So, yeah. Hindi natin alam kung bakit. Madalas kanyang naiisip lately. Who else? Kuha pa tayo. Who's coming towards you, air signs? Who's coming towards you? Who's this? The Ace of Wands. They could be attractive. Mapababae, mapalalaki ko naman ang gender niya. Some of them, they love to travel. Pwedeng may distansya sa inyo nitong taong to. Okay. Physically attractive. The Queen of Pentacles in reversed. Yeah. Ito yung taong madalas umayaw. Madalas mag-reject. I don't know kung ni-reject mo to. Or ikaw yung ni-reject niya. Okay. So, anong meron? So, may chance na lumapit sa'yo to. Tingnan natin. Bakit? Justice in reversed. And the Queen of Swords. I think they have something lang na kailangan sa'yo. Okay? So, yeah. Meron ditong energy ng travel or distance. Parang i-end niya yun. Or kung sakali man na, yun nga, tatapusin niya kung ano man ang parang sabihin nating pagkakalayo na meron sa inyong dalawa. Okay, yun nga lang. Meron ditong justice na naka-reverse. Pero ang nakukuha ko dito magiging open, magiging transparent itong taong to. Again, air sign. If you're the one who cut them off, may chance na itong taong ito, sabihin nating gagawa ng paraan para kayo is muli na magkonekta, no? Pero siya naman this time yung magka-cut off sa'yo. Be careful. Okay? So there. Next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. Who's coming towards you? Who's coming towards you? Okay. Who's coming towards fire signs? Who is this? So I think ina-isolate niya yung sarili niya from you. Hindi kanya kinakausap. Pero nandun yung curiosity ng tao pagdating sa'yo. May chance na itong taong to is may pagka-nonchalant or introvert, shy type, may mga ganyang energy, tahimik, okay? Mysterious, yung person. Yeah. Siya yung taong hindi mapaghayag. Mapaghayag? Oh, tama ba? Siya yung taong hindi mapag-express ng kanyang emosyon. Okay? So, I think this person may something pagdating sa'yo. They have something. Emotion. Mabait itong taong to actually. Anong meron? Yeah, the moon. They're longing for you. Lalo na kung kayo is matagal nang hindi nagkikita. Okay? Parang nandun yung energy ng pagkamis ng tao. Yeah. Going back. Some of you, this person is trying na, ang tawag dito, pumunta sa mga lugar na parang dati pinupuntahan nyo, magbabaka sakali siya, na makita ka doon. Parang yung kanta parang yung naririnig ko dito ang kanta is yung kanta ni Maki, na Saan? Alam nyo ba yun? Sa QC, sa UP, sa kalsada ng BGC. Anyway, may pagkanta, no? Ayun yung kanta. I don't know kung alam nyo yun. Check nyo na lang. Baka may message kayo, no? Na maririnig doon sa kanta na yun. Okay, again. Saan? By Maki. Oo, no? So, yun ha. Yun ang nakikita ko sa taong to. They miss you, I guess. The person misses you. Okay. Could be younger. Or may age difference. Okay, let's see. Nakailan na tayo sa'yo, fire sign? Who else? Who's coming towards you, fire signs? Okay, the Two of Wands. Pwedeng malayo sa'yo. Ulit. Bakit ganyan? Ang hilig nyo ata sa malalayo. Or ikaw itong lumayo sa kanya. Some of you, this person has options. Okay? They have options. The Ace of Pentacles. Who's coming towards you? Somebody na pwedeng hinihingian mo or hinihintay mo na gumawa siya ng desisyon. Kailangan niyang pumili, may mga ganyang bagay. So, anong meron? The Page of Swords. So, talagang magre-reach out. May maririnig ka from them, a message. The Knight of Wands. Okay, see? May pipilian na to. They will give you a lot pagdating sa clarity, answers. Okay? So, medyo sabihin nating nandun yung energy ng pagpili pagdating sa kanya. So, kailangan niyang pumili. I don't know kung may mga option nga itong taong to. So, I guess, pwedeng ikaw is pipiliin niya. Kaya siya yung darating. Yeah. Nandyan yung they want to pursue you. They like you. Kung sakali man. Okay, so there. Next. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Who's coming towards you? Who is coming towards water signs? Who's coming towards you? Malakas na naman yung hangin. Mahangin ba sa inyo? So again, to manifest, share the video. Don't forget to share the video, okay? So water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Who's coming towards you? The Five of Swords. So, itong taong to, binibigyan ka palagi ng mixed signals. Some of them, they're too indecisive. I don't know why. Para silang Libra. Okay? Magulo siya mag-isip. Mga ganyang bagay. Yeah, the Emperor. Hindi sila marunong mag-manage kung ano man. Time, anything. Magulo. Magulo siya. Madalas late. May ganyang bagay, no? Madalas late. I'm hearing somebody na pwedeng a mother, ang tawag dyan, a mother. Pwede siya, yeah, could be a father figure or a mother figure. May chance rin na pwedeng papa's boy, mama's boy, papa's girl, papa's girl. Papa's girl, papa's girl. Mama's girl, papa's girl. Oo, yun. What? Yes, ayun yung energy ng person. Okay. So, ito rin yung taong parang hindi niya kaya, na parang laging mag-isa. Kailangan lagi siyang may kasama. Mga ganun. I don't know. Some of you magkaaway kayo, or sabi natin hindi kayo close ng parent ng taong to. May issue kayo ng parents niya. So, we have here the Nine of Swords. I think they need something. Yeah, they need something. Let's see with that Nine of Swords. Yeah, kailangan ka na naman ito. Could be a favor. Pwedeng may pabor lang uli itong taong to. Some of you, babayaran ka niya. Okay? Yeah. Wala lang siguro siyang makita na pwedeng tutulong sa kanya kundi ikaw, water signs. I don't know. So, who else is coming towards you, water signs? Siyempre, hindi lang ito focus sa love. Okay? Kasi ang tanong natin is general. Who's coming towards you? Okay? Who else is coming towards water signs? Okay. The Chariot. Somebody who loves cars. Okay? Mahilig sa cars, sa sasakyan, sa motor, mga ganyang bagay, sa travel. Could be a Cancerian like you, water sign. The Two of Wands. Could be a friend. Okay? Could be a friend. Ito yung madalas na lagi kang hinihingaan niya ng opinion rin. Okay, that's not for all. So, here they come again. Here they come. Open na open ka rito, I think, sa taong to. So, anong meron? Anong meron? Okay, the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. The Hierophant in reverse. Some of you, meron na naman siyang isi-share sa'yo about their issue pagdating sa kanilang mga kakonek or sa kanilang situation. Okay? They see you as somebody na pwedeng malapit or pwede niyang pagkatiwalaan. Yeah. Okay? Na friend, na parang matagal, sabi nating kaibigan mo na hindi naman masyado palagi, pwedeng pamilyado na rin, mga ganyang bagay, pero may open up sa'yo. Yeah. Parang may kailangan. Could be sa work or sa situation nila, mga ganyang bagay. Okay, so next. Okay, Earth signs, Capricorn. Okay, Taurus, Capricorn. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Earth signs, who's coming towards you? Who's coming towards Earth signs? Who is coming towards you? Who is coming towards air signs? The Wheel of Fortune. What? Ito yung taong nagbigay sa'yo ng talaga naman struggles. Nako. Ito yung taong dinrap mo. Ito yung taong talagang isinurrender mo na. Anong meron? Anong meron? They're not happy. The Ten of Cups. Actually, this person is still connected sa'yo energetically. Still. Okay? Yeah. The Queen of Swords in reverse. May mga ano ba, taong may galit sa inyo, Earth signs? Ito yung madalas mong inaalis, pero talagang pinipilit ng mga to na kumonect sa'yo. Because why? Dahil gusto kanila na malito, gusto kanila na maapektuhan, mga ganun na bagay. You have to avoid this person. Okay? You have to avoid them. Avoid them. Kung nararamdaman mo yung energy niya, avoid nyo yung energy. Mag-cleanse kayo. Okay? Gusto ng taong to, malugmok ka eh. Gusto ng taong to na makita ka na hindi masaya. Yes. So, guguluhin ka na naman yan. Gagalitin ka na naman yan. Mga ganong bagay. Yeah. So, gawin niyong gabay, ha? Okay? Huwag niyong baliwalain. So, who else is coming towards you, Earth signs? Who else is coming towards you, Earth signs? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Death in reversed. Could be a Scorpio. Pwedeng nagkaroon kayo ng on-off ng taong to. Madaming on-off, or could be a cycle. The Hermit in reversed. Virgo. Ito yung sabihin nating tao na pwedeng ikaw is nagbaka sakali ng maraming beses. Binigyan mo siya ng maraming pagkakataon. So, here they come again. Earth signs, here they come again. Ito yung taong hindi mo makitaan na ng direksyon. Some of them, pwedeng kita mo sa kanila na parang sila mismo, wala silang direction eh. Wala silang goals. Grabe naman yung mga nalapit sa'yo, Earth signs. Ha? Grabe. Grabe naman yan. Anong meron? Yeah. The Magician in reverse. Puro major arcana to. Lahat nakabaliktad. Don't try to connect. Okay? Don't welcome this person. Huwag mo i-welcome, please. Some of them, gusto lang nila ng benefits from you. Or sabihin nating mayroon lang sila talagang kailangan. Every time na may kailangan lang sila, tsaka lang sila magpaparamdam. Nakakasira ng araw to, sa totoo lang. Itong taong to, makita mo lang, mag-message lang itong taong to, di mo i-open eh. Yes. See? Malaking problema tong taong to sa'yo. Ha? Okay? Ang dami namang na-connect sa'yo na low frequency ng mga tao. Mag-cleanse ka, Earth signs. Mag-cleanse kayo, Earth signs. Hindi masamang mag-cleanse. Paminsan-minsan. Hindi rin masamang i-protect yung energies nyo. This could be somebody who is evil eyeing you. Kung hindi mo alam, if you're not aware, it could be evil eyeing you, giving you evil eye, giving you negative energies. Yeah. Lalo na kapag physical, no? Physical na kayo is magka-connect or magkausap, magkalapit. Nakpo. Yari ka dito. Kawawa ang energy mo dito. Pagkatapos nyo magsama niyan or pagkatapos nyo mag-usap, drain ka. Matik yun. Manggagamit tong mga ganitong energy. They're like an energy vampire. You're an energy vampire. Okay? Ito yung mga taong lagi lang nakasahod, nakaasa sa'yo. Madalas pa, kahit bigyan mo, may masasabi pa rin. Some of you, this could be a third party connection na babalik na naman. alam mo nang walang direction, pero yeah, you have to disconnect or talagang tanggihan mo na tong energy na to, kasi if not, talaga naman babalik ka sa ganitong energy, sa Three of Swords. Okay, ilalagay ka na naman niya sa third party situation. Gusto nyo ba yun? Ayaw natin yun. Okay, so yeah, follow your intuition kung anong kailangan mo. This is a gabay. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page and yung sa nating YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Yes, again, thank you. Goodbye.